Hey, Legal Funnel members. Hope you guys are doing well. All right, so we're at 212 members. Welcome to the 34 new members. If you guys haven't already seen my past videos, you can scroll down and just see my series of videos that I've been doing recently. Basically, we're talking about, in the next couple of weeks, we're going to be talking about tools that you guys can use to help to be a more productive lawyer. So today I want to talk about the most helpful, valuable tool that I use for my productivity, and that is Wunderlist. Wunderlist is essentially my to-do list. I use this tool very frequently, multiple times a day. It's a way that I basically keep track of all the tasks that I have to do and when I have to do them by. So as you can see, whenever I need to do a task, I'll just say, create funnel, press enter. I added a date to it. I could write notes to it, and I could even start to kind of give it some thing. And then whenever it's done, I check it off. And then it kind of categorizes it and dates it by the dates. And then there's also different categories. So you could do it, if you have different projects, different things. Let's say these are all my different businesses and different things that need to be done. I put it into categories. Or you could even, another thing you could do is you could have designated people who, let's say people who work for you. They could have their own lists. So let's say I share this list with Jacob, who's one of my marketing directors. So anything that needs to be done, I drop it into here automatically. He will see I share this group with him, and he's able to see these tasks as well. Wunderlist is the one that I use, but another one that you guys can use is called Todoist. So either Wunderlist or Todoist is absolutely essential. It just basically, now I feel like if it doesn't go into my Wunderlist, it doesn't get done. With any task, you need to make sure that it has a very defined due date when you're going to accomplish it. And before you start the day, you want to make sure that you have clarity and you know exactly what are those tasks that you need to do for that day. So it kind of makes it really easy to maintain and keep track of those things so that you're able to do it. And then there's something about it. There's something about the sounding of finishing a task. Whenever you hear this ding, it just feels so good. I don't know. So I'm so used to it. I've been using this for a couple of years. It looks like just in this inbox, I have 4,000 completed tasks. So, this is definitely something that I noticed. It really helps me with my productivity. And I have also got my a couple of my virtual assistants to use this as well. And they always tell me how valuable this is. So I definitely recommend it. Wunderlist. That's WUNDER list.com or Todoist. You could download this for your phone also. So you'll always have to go. And yeah, definitely recommend it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it. Please invite other entrepreneur lawyers, and I'll see you guys in the next video.